Hi everyone, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts, and I just wanted to take you on a quick little tour of my new website that I just launched. So you can see I have a section for my free crochet patterns, so I wanted to organize them in a way that made them really easy for you to find everything. You can just click on the links and they'll take you to the free video tutorials. I also have a section for written patterns. People have been asking me for written copies of my YouTube patterns. I do have some available in my Etsy shop, but I also wanted to post some free on my website. So you can see I've got all the written instructions for these little baby booties and my Barkley kids hat, but I'll be adding more written patterns to my website, so check back often. I also have a section for crochet stitches, so you can watch quick 1-minute crochet stitch tutorials. As well, I have all the written instructions for the stitches as well. So I'm working on the half double crochet and variations right now, and then I'm going to continue on and work on double crochet and variations. Then we have a section, a learning section. So I have crochet abbreviations, the full list of crochet abbreviations, and you'll see there's some links here too where you can click on and watch stitch tutorials. I have a list of all the crochet hook sizes, so if you need that as a reference, we have this here as well. And then for everyone who's new to crocheting and you need to learn how to read a crochet pattern, so I have all the basic steps for reading crochet patterns, everything that you need to know. I also have a blog, so come and check it out, where I share my thoughts, experiences, and just general life stories as they relate to crocheting. And here's my contact page, where you can of course click on YouTube and it will take you right back here to my YouTube channel. I'd love to hear in the comments below what you think of the new website. Thanks for watching, everyone.